everyone, and I have to film down here because Heidi is lying on my bed and she's showing off her tummy again. But anyway, for today's video I'm going to be doing another story time, and it's going to be about Mother's Day. And I can show you Heidi after I finish the story so she can say hello to the camera. So for Mother's Day this year, well, last year we went out on Mother's Day. I think you'll remember that Mother's Day special. And yeah, and that football game I played with my family. This year we just stayed at home. So yeah, Mum had gifts and gave her cards. And me and Mum got to watch videos of me when I was a baby. And on my first birthday when I turned 1 year old. Yeah, it was so cute when I was a baby and a toddler. Yeah, because she knew, because last week I was looking at photos and videos when I was younger. Yeah, I did look cute when I was younger. So I've said Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers from yesterday. Happy? Yep, you're all happy right now. They are. Guys, Heidi is like watching me film the video. I know. She is. She can be funny. I'll just tell you another little story as well. I mean, it was very early in the morning and I was hearing a strange noise outside my house and I was screaming at 3 a.m. this morning. Oh my gosh, it was so early. I was not liking that strange noise. And I think it was a bird, I think. Why would a bird be tweeting so early in the morning? They would be in bed. Well, I mean, we don't hear many owls this often here. Because, well, probably in our country. I mean, we never hear owls at all. And normally you would hear a rooster waking you up in the morning. But no, you have an alarm clock. Oh, why am I saying this now? It was going to be a Mother's Day story, but I told you another story as well. I really hope that noise is going to come back. Hopefully that's not going to be waking me up really early in the morning. And hopefully I'm getting a good sleep. Okay, I'm going to show you Heidi. Say hello. She's asleep right now. And that's the two stories done. And you got to see my cat again. Alright, see you soon. Bye.